Tired of a cluttered kitchen? The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is here to simplify your cooking and transform mealtime. This single appliance genuinely replaces so many others, making it incredibly special for any modern kitchen. With its amazing 9-in-1 functionality, it acts as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, and more, all in one sleek design. You get 15 customizable programs, allowing you to perfectly cook everything from soups and stews to desserts and even sterilize bottles with just a touch. Plus, the high-quality stainless steel inner pot ensures durability, easy cleaning, and safe cooking for your family. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or buy a new pressure cooker, this is the smart investment for 2025. Don't miss out. Grab the best deal on the Instant Pot Duo Plus by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. It's truly a must-have for anyone seeking simpler, healthier meals. I highly recommend the Instant Pot Duo Plus for effortless and delicious cooking every single day.